Hello students, today we have to start here the new chapter, that is chapter number 4, that is altitudes and medians of a triangle. Okay, so what is it with the altitude and median of a triangle? We will discuss this part in detail here. Okay, so before starting this chapter here, we have to cover some basic idea related to this chapter. Okay, so first is what? First is bisector of a angle of a triangle. What is meant by the bisector of the angle of triangle? So we'll understand these concepts here. What is this? The angle bisector of an angle of a triangle, okay, is a straight line that divides the angle into two congruent angles. Okay, triangle have these three sides. Okay, triangle have three sides like this, and there are three angles formed here. Okay, so angle bisector means what? This angle is divided into two equal parts, means this one and this one is equal here. Okay, this is the rough idea here, or rough figure here. Consider this figure, triangle ABC. Okay, in triangle ABC we have to what? Bisector angle B. Bisector means when we draw the perpendicular line from angle B on base or on the side AC, then we have to get here this angle, this one angle is equal to this one angle. Okay, clear? That means we have to bisector the angle B here. Okay, now next concept is there, that is the three angle bisector of a angle of a triangle. How many angles are there in the triangle? That is three. That one, A is there, angle A, angle B, and angle C. So how many angles are there? That is three angles. And when we bisector these three angles, this bisector meet at one point. Okay, the three angle bisector of an angle of a triangle meet a single point called as the incenter. What we have to call the incenter? That means when we what? Draw the angle bisector of a triangle, then all the angle bisector meet at a single point, and this point is called as a incenter. So consider this figure here. In triangle ABC, okay, from angle B we have to draw an angle bisector, from angle A we have to draw an angle bisector, and from angle C we have to draw an angle bisector. Okay, so all these angle bisector meet at a single point called as the P, and this P is called as the incenter. Okay, is called as the incenter. So here I want to write here, that is here P is the incenter of triangle ABC. Okay, what we have to discuss in first point here, that is bisector of an angle of a triangle, and when we draw the bisector of each angle of your triangle, and all these bisector meet at a single point, and this point is called as the incenter. Okay, so next point is there, that is perpendicular bisector. Listen, all these concepts are related to your this chapter, so therefore I want to discuss this part in detail here. Okay, you had already learned these points in your earlier class. Okay, so this is not the part of your textbook. I want to explain this part in detail because this is important in your chapter for that, for understanding the basic concept related to the altitude and median of a triangle. Okay, now next point is there, what is meant by the perpendicular bisector. Okay, a perpendicular bisector can be defined as a line segment which intersect another line perpendicularly and divides it into two equal parts. Listen here. We have to draw here first AB line segment, and then by using your set square or a compass, we have to draw a one perpendicular line. Okay, perpendicular line means what? They forms the 90 degree here. Okay, and in such a way that these two parts, suppose this O is the length between, how to write? I have to write here, length between or length of AO is equal to length of OB. That means this length and this length should be equal. So draw a perpendicular line in such a way that the distance between the line segment OA is equal to the distance between line segment OB. Okay. So this is called as a perpendicular bisector. Okay. Bisector means equally divides. Okay. The line segment divides in equal parts. Okay. And perpendicular means what? We have to form the 90-degree angle there. Correct. Now next, two lines are said to be perpendicular to each other when they intersect in such a way that they form 90-degree. Okay, I want to already explain here. When we call about the perpendicularity, that means the line segments forms the 90-degree with each other. That means this one. Okay, 90-degree with each other. So this is basically related to the perpendicular bisector. Now next one is there, that is we have to perform one activity here, or we have to solve one activity based on the how to draw the perpendicular line to the given line segment. Okay. So this is your activity. What is the activity here? Draw a line, take a point outside the line, draw a perpendicular from the point to the line with the help of set square. Okay, so how to solve this activity? First of all, what we have to do here? We have to draw the line. Okay. We have to draw one line. Suppose this line is called as the line L. Okay. And I want to put here any point outside this line. Suppose this point is called as P. And we want to draw the one perpendicular line with the help of a set square. So there are two types of the set squares like this. You have to use any one of these. Okay. So I want to use this one. So put the set square like this. Clear? And draw the line. Draw the line. Suppose this point is called as the Q. Okay, therefore it is, this one is get here 90-degree. Therefore this PQ is perpendicular to line L. So how to write this one? For showing the perpendicular line, we have to use this symbol, perpendicular. So how to write this one? Line PQ is perpendicular to line L. We have to write like this. Okay, line PQ is perpendicular to line L. Okay, so in this way we have to draw here perpendicular line from the given line L with the help of set square. Okay, so now today we have to stop here. In next lecture we have to start actually what is meant by the altitude and what are the cases of altitude when we calculate the altitude. Okay, so we'll discuss this part in next video. So thank you students. I hope you have to understand this one. So please like it, subscribe it and share to your friends. This video is related only for the basic concepts of your altitude and median of a triangle. Okay, thank you students.